everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tours. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here of our room at the Grand Californian at the Disneyland Resort. The Grand Californian Hotel is located at 1600 South Disneyland Drive in Anaheim. It is about a 3/10 of a mile or a 7-minute walk from the security checkpoint at the Grand Californian Hotel into the downtown Disney district. The Grand Californian is rated number 51 out of 129 hotels in Anaheim. At the time of filming, parking is $35 a night for self-parking. We booked a 2-queen standard view room here at the Grand Californian Hotel. We did use our Visa points to book this room, so we did pay for this out of our own pocket. We believe we were upgraded to a pool view. We can see the pool and we can see Pixar Pal Ground as well. This room has a ton of outlets and USBs. There's 12 USBs in total. There's 4 USBs right here, 4 regular plugs as well, and there's 2 more USBs in this alarm clock. We also like the subtle theming in this room, and we also love the lighting above that we can use as a nightlight, and it is dimmable here. So you can dim it at night if you need a nightlight when you have your little ones here. We also wanted to mention that the beds here are platform beds and you can roll your suitcase underneath, which is really handy, but also we wanted to note they're very high off of the ground. And we have friends that live in Sweden, and when they stayed at our house, they thought our beds were super high off the ground, and these beds are much higher. So if you have little ones, if they fell off this bed, I think it would hurt quite a bit. So it's just something to kind of think about. If you do have little ones, you might want to request a pack and play or a portable crib. I love the dresser here with the granite top. The drawers are soft close, and there's also 2 regular outlets and 4 USBs there as well. I know a lot of the rooms can be different configurations when it's 2 queens. I've seen that you can get a desk, a daybed, or a sleeper chair. We requested the daybed, but we got this room with the desk, and it also has a granite top. The chair is really comfortable, and there are 4 regular outlets and 2 USBs here as well. We were a little bit surprised how much of the pool noise we can hear even with the sliding door all the way closed. So if you are wanting this kind of view and you like to come back to the room midday and take a nap, you might hear kids swimming and people talking. The noise is carrying quite far. And because this is also a deluxe resort, you do get a balcony. It comes with 2 chairs and a small table, and it's quite spacious out here. We are really loving our view, but you can hear the pool quite a bit. This area here has the Keurig glasses, the ice bucket, and in the drawer are coffees, cups, creamers, sugar, and then below that is the mini fridge. There's also a really nice wardrobe with full-length mirrors. And inside, when you open it, the lights turn on. There's a luggage rack, the safe, the iron and ironing board, some extra bedding, and of course the famous Grand Californian robes that everyone raves about. Right when you walk in the entrance, there's this little area, and we thought it would be really great for a luggage rack, or if you have a stroller would fit here nicely, and it's kind of tucked in out of the way. You're not going to be tripping on it when you walk in and out. I also really like that there's coat hooks here. This time of year, because it is summer, we probably wouldn't use them a whole lot. I'd probably hang my small backpack or my purse here, but in the wintertime, I could see this being really handy to have for your hoodies and your jackets. Instead of having them all over the whole entire room, you get to have them all in the same spot. So the bathroom area is really nice. We haven't stayed here since 2004, so it's quite a bit different than when we stayed here. We love that there's 2 lighted mirrors and 2 sinks, of course. There's not a whole lot of counter space, but I do appreciate that there's cubbies underneath and also a shelf above it. The coolest thing, I think, and I haven't seen this in any of the hotels with mirrors like this, is they put it on a dimmer. So you could even use this as a nightlight if you don't want the whole room light on. I think that's a really nice touch. The sink feels a little bit lower, probably for kids, and they also do include a step stool here for little ones if they need it to be able to reach. We really love the shower area here. It's really spacious. There's a nice big seat area, or an area to help when you shave your legs. There's a rain shower head and an adjustable shower head, and of course the H2O products, because this is a deluxe resort. They're the full-size bottles like at Walt Disney World. Look out for our experience video for the Grand Californian. If you want to watch any of our other Disneyland Resort hotels, please click the link here. Thank you.